Let me make sure everybody understand. So we finish a single inheritance. So A person, B student. Let's do the multi-level inheritance. A student, B sorry. A person, B student, and C is international student. Okay, so we're going to have international students inherit student class. It's okay. So we're going to do this, and obvious I really don't want you to rewrite everything. It's okay. I don't want you to rewrite everything. I need you to just continue this. So I see even it's quite messy already. We have person, we have a student. We're going to have, so let me see my student. We already have student. Student. We got student.h somewhere. Is that right? Right here. Okay. No, I don't need student.cpp. All right. And now we have go to international. Is that right? We go to international student or honor student, whatever you want to do. We just give an example. Is that okay? So we want to use a multi-level. Is okay? So shall we do it together right now? So I have a person, student inherit person. I'm going to have international student. Is that okay? So I'm going to click it, source, right click it, add a class. Okay. I'm going to call this what? International student. It's very long name. Sorry. Okay. Okay. It's long name. Can anyone tell me international student based on which class? Anyone tell me? Perfect. Thank you. It's a student class. So type it right now, student class. Alright, it's come from a student class. It's okay, everybody? Alright. So your international student inherit from a student. Okay, so let's start it. So a class have no matter what, okay, fancy class, lousy class, basic class, class 1, 2, 3, always have private, always have public. Private is your variables and is your property. So international student probably have a string nation. We just do that. We had different thing. Okay, sorry. Okay, I couldn't figure out something more fancier than this. It's okay. Sorry. So I have this right now. I have this right now. So I'm going to get my internet copy. The name is too long. I shouldn't create a long name. Alright, so like that right now. And I am going to do this, okay? I'm going to say this string, okay? So and n, okay? Then equal blank, okay? That's equal blank, or uh, is this, okay? Or is nation and we call nation, right? Okay, whatever you get n will assign to nation, okay? So that's it. All right, so let's have a get and set. Is that right? So let's learn this get and set right now. So get need to return, get need to return a nation. Is that right? So nation string. All right, then get nation, okay, then const. All right, so I'm going to return nation, okay. No, I need to learn how to type. Go back to first grade. CONST. All right. So now I'm also going to set. Okay. So set is always void. Okay. Set nation. All right. So so when I set nation here, I'm going to say string what n is okay. All right, hold on. Let me see. All right. So your TA has very, very important news for you. So we need to update your grade. Okay, thank you. So Charlie, I miss you. Okay, so let's continue right here. So we're going to have our set nation right here. So once we set nation here, when we set, we have what? So, right, sorry. All right. So nation equal n. All right. So all right. So we have our get and we have our set right now. Okay. We have so I'll have get. We have our set. So we have three level right now. All right. So get and set. So we have person inherit from student inherit person, international inherit from student. All right. So three level right now. All right. So this is our third level. So it's coming back right here right now. It's coming back to our third level right now. So our third level. So we're coming to use to person. Okay. So I have right here. Okay. Right here. So excuse me. I'm just use another student. It's okay. All right. So let's do another student right now, okay? So international student, is that right? My international, hold on. By the way, I have to include that too. They don't understand. Is that okay? So include, okay, international student. All right. So now they'll be understand. Let me pull out that. I gave Jai so much hard time. Let's do another one right now. I have another. Zhao Yan is also international student, so please, I'm sorry, I need to use you. All right. So I'm going to international student. Okay. So a student. Okay. Just I'm just going to call AIT students. Okay. Sorry, like that way. Okay. AIT student. All right. So. Hey, I'm lazy. I'm just going to A student. So that way I easier for me. Okay. So A student. It's okay. So once I have A student right here, I'm going to copy this Control X. All right. And Control V here. So A student set name right here is Zhao Yan Wang. Sorry, Zhao Yan. Okay. So age 20 and GPL said you have 3.8. Sorry, okay? So since I use your name, I give you better GPA. All right, now we also need to have a student and need to set nation right now. Okay, I know you're from China. All right, so once we finish this right now, once we finish this, then we can do this right now. We can do this, okay? So let's just continue right here. Too much. And CL and A student. And now can return nation. I'm going to put like this, okay? Say let me do like this, okay? Get name, Okay. Is from, all right. Then a student, oh sorry, and get, this time is get nation right now. Oh, I have another international warehouse, so next time I think I can use everybody's name right now. So I'm going to get rid of this right now. So international student, one more time, at international student here, you have what is that? At the international student, I have only, yeah, I have only one variable. Is that right? Only one variable, and it's nation. But because I was inherit from student, is that right? So where's my student? I inherit from my student. So let's get my student.h file. That's my student, right? Where's my student? My student, someone. Yeah. Anyone who has a question for me or not? And then my use person. Okay, so that's running right now. So build it. Oh, okay. And debug start without debugging is okay. So Zhao Yan Wang is 20 years old, GPA 3.9. Zhao Yan Wang is from China. Again, I need to probably need to space between that. Is okay. So is from China. So I have space here. All right. So for this program, one more time. For this program, what we practice this one is a 3 level. Okay, we did is 3 level. A is person, B is student, C is international student. And why we need to do that? Because we want to use professional program. A lot of time you don't create because you just started. How can you create complicated thing? Even though you start your job for 1 or 2 years, a lot of program already created by somebody else. Why don't you use those? And I mean, and to create professional thing. All right. So this is this will be your assignment for this one. This assignment for this one, and there's another thing here, but we're not going to let you submit it. You just have two right now. The first one is single inheritance. The second one is multiple inheritance. It's okay. And when you finish these two right now, you're supposed to create a exe file, copy the code. I know people always say it's too long. I did not give you a break. So I will give you a break right now. Two questions, only two. Then you have how about 20 minutes break? Is that okay? So we meet each other at 12:50. It's okay? So you do the work and break, and you can ask Charlie question too, okay? Because he's here. So let's have a break right now. I'm going to mute myself. I'm just going to mute myself. Is okay? So I'm here still. You can ask me any question, but I'm just going to mute myself so I can drink my coffee, whatever. Okay?
Mhm.
All right, so 12:50, 12:50 is okay?
That's crazy.